Hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, May the 29th, 2020. We have here two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. Yes. But there is also in this daily newspaper, there is also an additional 5 Sudokus. A Sudoku with 1 star, 2 star, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. And I do not know when they will end. Probably end of this month they will stop the additional. So only regular Sudokus. I'm not 100% sure, but we will see on Tuesday, because Monday this weekend is Pentecost with Sunday, and with Monday they don't work, so there is no newspaper. So we will see on Tuesday, but before that we will solve these regular Sudokus, and the first one is a Sudoku Light. So let's get started. Alright, I see a lot of 2's, so 2 in this column, the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. Hey, I cannot continue with the 2. A lot of 2's, but I cannot continue with the 2. Why? Alright, I know it. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2. No 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. So in the middle column, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the column next, we have a 2 over there. So in that column, the only 2 places for it 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2. No 2 there, 2 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 2 because we have a 2 here, 2 in the third column. So in the second column, also these 2 possibilities. Here also 2 possibilities for the 2. So I cannot continue. I need to wait for more digits, more information. Alright. How about the number 8? We have an 8 in the third row and 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in the last row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for an 8 should be here, here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see, yes. Alright. Can I do this with another digit? Yes. I try. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yes. Alright. How about the number? Can I do that with the 5? Yes. How about the 5 in this column, the last column? 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in this row. 5 in the first row. So in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. And look, I filled a box, one of the boxes with the potential 2, because I marked them. Could be here, could be there for the 2. Now I filled one of the box with a 5, so the other should be a 2. We will see that later. Alright, we will continue with the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Yes. Can I do that with the 2? Because we have a 2 here. So in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Maybe one extra digit, maybe, I do not know, maybe. Let us see. 1 digit left in the second row for the number 1. 2 digits left in this column for the number 7 and 3. 7 and 3. We see here a 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Yeah, let us see. 7. No, the 7, the 9, maybe the 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 9 should be here. Then in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes, so 9 could be here or could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes, in the third column, a 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So in the column, 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, 9 in the last row, 9 in that row, 9 in the in the row between those rows, yes. I messed. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So in the row between, yes, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see, yes, all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Alright, one missing box in this big square for the number 1. One number left in this row for the number 6. One number left in this big square for the number 1. One number left in this column for the number 6. One number left in this big square for the number 3. One number left in this row for the number 3. One number left in this big square for the number 3. One number left in this column for the number 1. One number left in this column for the number 6, I believe. Yes, one number left in this big square for the number 3. One number left in this row for the number 1. One number left in this big square for the number 6. One number left in this row for the number 1. One number left in this big square for the number 1. And 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 7 and 6. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 6 goes there. Finished in 13 minutes. Wow, could be faster, but I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you for watching this Sudoku video, and I will see you in a moment with the second regular Sudoku, a Sudoku Heavy. See you and bye bye.